Discover the best circular saw for your woodworking needs with our comprehensive guide. Our top picks feature powerful motors, ergonomic designs, and advanced safety features, ensuring precise cuts and maximum efficiency. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best circular saw you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Bosch Bare Tool CCS 180B is ranked as the number 5 best circular saw, renowned for its ergonomic design and superior performance. Featuring a 6 1/2-inch blade, this saw can cut through 2-inch material at 90 degrees and handle 2 times material across its full bevel range. The 50-degree bevel range adds versatility, making it suitable for various applications. Designed with the user in mind, the main handle is angled for ease of use, and its blade-left design provides a clear view of the cut line when the main handle is held in the right hand. The saw is lightweight at just 6.6 pounds, which enhances maneuverability, while its heavy-duty aluminum foot and upper guard ensure durability on demanding job sites. The Bosch CCS 180B includes several safety and convenience features, such as electronic motor protection and electronic cell protection to prevent overload, a dust blower to keep the cut line clear, and an electronic saw brake for quick blade stops. The Dewalt DWE5 1/4 circular saw, ranked as the 4th best in its category, stands out for its lightweight design, weighing just 8.8 pounds, making it one of the lightest saws in its class. It features a robust 15-amp motor, delivering the power needed for the most demanding tasks. The saw's bevel capacity reaches up to 53 degrees, with convenient stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees, offering versatility in cutting angles. With a depth of cut capacity of 2 9/16 inches, this saw can handle a variety of applications with ease. The anti-snag ball-bearing lower guard ensures smooth operation and durability, even in harsh conditions. The tough cord system enhances the saw's longevity by preventing cord pullouts. An integrated dust blower keeps the line of sight clear during cutting, and the durable high-grade aluminum base ensures precise cuts. For added convenience, the saw includes onboard blade wrench storage, making it easy to access the wrench when needed. Additionally, the clear line of sight aids and blade visibility from any angle, enhancing cutting accuracy. Overall, the Dewalt DWE5 is a reliable and versatile tool for both professional and DIY enthusiasts. The Skil PWR Core 12 brushless circular saw, ranked 3rd among the best circular saws, is an exceptional tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. This compact circular saw kit includes a PWR Core 12 4.0 AH lithium battery and a PWR jump charger, ensuring you have everything needed to start your projects immediately. Despite its small size, the digital brushless motor delivers powerful, lightweight performance, capable of cutting through a variety of materials. The PWR Core 12 battery technology extends the battery's runtime by 25% and doubles its lifespan by wrapping each cell with cooling material. One standout feature is the PWR Assist mobile charging, allowing you to charge your devices on the go using the battery's USB port. Impressively, the PWR jump charger can provide enough power to drive up to 100 screws in just 5 minutes. The saw also features an 18-tooth ultra-thin carbide-tipped blade and a durable steel shoe, ensuring precise and clean cuts. The Bosch GKS 18V22N, ranked as the number 2 best circular saw, is designed for professionals seeking efficiency and precision. This 18V circular saw is easy to use, boasting a powerful brushless motor that ensures reliable performance and delivers up to 5,000 RPM. Its compact and lightweight build, weighing only 6.1 pounds, offers superior maneuverability, making it ideal for extended use without fatigue. Enhanced ergonomic handling is a standout feature, with an auxiliary handle that accommodates both left and right-handed users, ensuring comfort and control. The saw includes convenient depth gauges visible from both sides and a 50-degree bevel range with detents at 0, 45, and 22.5 degrees, allowing for versatile cutting angles. Additionally, the electronic convenience brake significantly reduces downtime by stopping the blade quickly between cuts. For improved accuracy, a cut-line LED illuminates the cutting area, ensuring clear visibility of the workpiece. The Dewalt DCS391B 20V Max Circular Saw stands as the top choice for those seeking a powerful and reliable cutting tool. With a robust 5,150 RPM motor, this saw effortlessly handles even the most demanding cuts. The high-strength, lightweight magnesium shoe ensures job site durability and precise cuts over the long haul. Comfort and control are paramount, as evidenced by the optimized rubber overmolded grip, providing superior balance during use. Versatility is a hallmark of the DCS391B, featuring a 0 to 50-degree bevel capacity that accommodates a wide range of applications. Whether making aggressive bevel cuts or precise straight cuts, this saw performs with excellence. The 6 1/2-inch carbide-tipped blade further enhances its capability, delivering clean cuts through 2 times material at both 90 degrees and 45 degrees, and maximizing the number of cuts per charge. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, the Dewalt DCS391B 20V Max Circular Saw combines power, durability, and user-friendly features, making it the #1 best circular saw on the market. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.